Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the headset fit and the visuals smooth. This reduces sensory mismatch quickly. First, set IPD and strap tightness so the image is crisp. Once done, lock frame rate at the headset's native target and close heavy background apps to avoid micro stutters. Then, enable built-in comfort features like vignetting and snap turning to lower perceived motion. These first actions cut conflict between your inner ear and vision, so motion cues match and symptoms drop fast. You now refine how the virtual world moves around you, because motion pattern matters more than graphics fidelity. Swap continuous walking for teleport or short hops, and make turns snap or use small angle increments. This breaks prolonged vection that triggers nausea. Next, shrink peripheral visuals with lower FOV or dynamic vignetting. Start around 20 to 40% reduction and adjust. Also cut virtual acceleration and enable motion smoothing sparingly. You finish by building tolerance methodically and adding stabilizers that your brain trusts. Start with 10 to 20-minute sessions, add 1 to 2 minutes each day, and always end while you still feel fine. Use a small fan for airflow, sit where you can see a fixed horizon, and breathe slowly to calm your vestibular response. Make sure software and headset firmware are updated. Troubleshooting tip: if you feel strong nausea, stop right away, remove the headset, rest 15 to 30 minutes, then try gentler settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.